Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop image in circle shape in Canva. So it's gonna be super simple. Only you have to do is to just go and click on elements, and right here you need to look for frames, and as you type that you'll be able to see all the frames available in Canva. You just need to click on see all, and all these shapes you can just crop your image into. I wanna crop into circle shape, so I'll just click on the circle shape and the circle shape will be inserted here. Now it's time to add the image, so I'll just click on uploads, and right here you can upload your image. I have already uploaded bunch of my images, so let's, for sake of this video, we go with this image. So I want to put this image into this circle. So what we can do, we can just tag the image and put it onto the circle, and the image will be fit into the circle. Now to resize it, we can just double click on the image. We'll get to see these options. So right here we can just make the image a bit bigger and just adjust it into the circle. Now click outside the canvas. Now you can just make this circle bigger, smaller as you want. But yeah, that's how you can crop image in circle shape in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.